Most people assume life insurance is complicated and impersonal. But here's the surprising truth. The right policy can be simple, flexible, and tailored to your needs. Today I'm sharing my experience with Foresters Life Insurance and what to expect. Foresters offers term and permanent life insurance, plus additional benefits like critical illness coverage and savings features. The application process is straightforward. You submit basic personal and health information, and in many cases, you can get instant approval for certain policies. Most people get this wrong, assuming life insurance is only about premiums. Foresters emphasizes benefits and member support, including financial guidance and wellness programs. You won't believe what happens next. Policy management is simple online or via the mobile app. You can view coverage, make payments, and even update beneficiaries easily. The company also provides optional riders like critical illness for disability coverage, which can be added to your policy for more protection. Now the downsides. Premiums may be higher than some competitors, especially for permanent policies. Approval depends on health, so some individuals may face higher rates. The surprising truth about Foresters is that it combines insurance with community and wellness benefits, offering more than just coverage. You get financial protection plus access to support programs. So who should use Foresters? Anyone looking for flexible life insurance with member benefits and reliable customer support. Casual buyers may find it more than they need, but the extra features can be valuable for long-term planning. If this review helped you understand Foresters Life Insurance better, subscribe for more honest insurance and finance reviews before committing to a policy.